is the color of the ocean. Blue is the color of the sky. Blue is the color of blueberries. Blue is the color of my eyes. Yellow is the color of the sunshine. Yellow like bananas in the trees. Yellow is the color of a daffodil. Yellow is the color of this cheese. So many colors in the rainbow. So many colors all around. So many colors to amaze us. So many colors to be found. Red is the color of an apple. Red like a cardinal in its nest. Red is the color of a stop sign. Red is the color I love best. Green is the color of the tall grass. Green is the color of the trees. Green is the color of a froggy. Green like the fishes in the sea. So many colors in the rainbow. So many colors all around. So many colors to amaze us. So many colors to be found. Orange is the color of a carrot. Orange like a brand new basketball. Orange is the color of a pumpkin. Orange like the leaves in the fall. Pink is the color of flamingos. Pink like cotton candy at the fair. Pink is the color of bubble gum. Pink is the color of my hair. So many colors in the rainbow. So many colors all around. So many colors to amaze us. So many colors to be found.